Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to all of you on this Unacademy channel. Okay, for of the students for ISC board. So I would like to welcome you all on this platform of Unacademy. We are just going to conduct a session about circle today, right? So that means today we are going to study about circle. So I'm just going to see that how many students are going to join today. Let me check. So definitely we will start the session today, and today we are going to understand about the circle very well. We will start the circle from the scratch only. Okay, so how many learners are here who has not studied till now anything related to circle? You can definitely join this session, and this session is just for you. Okay, तो देखते हैं आज कितने बच्चे हमारे साथ ज्वाइन होते हैं और कितने बच्चे यहाँ पे सर्कल के बारे में आज इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं, राइट? So first of all, how many learners are new? I just want to let them know about myself. As my name is Sanam Jain and I've done masters in mathematics. I'm having more than 8 years of teaching experience of teaching mathematics in different boards like CBSE, ICSE, ISC and other state boards also. So I can help you out to reach next level learning in mathematics, and I can also help you out to tackle with the different problems you are facing in mathematics, right? So let's see that today how many students are going to be a part of this session. So here I just want to let you know that we also have a Telegram channel of Unacademy where we are just giving the updates of regarding ISC board classes of 11th and 12th, okay, related to mathematics. So this is my Telegram channel link which you can copy, okay, and you can paste over there. So you'll be able to join my Telegram channel by using this link. Okay, so there you will get the updates of regarding special classes which are going to be conducted on regular basis. And here I just want to let you know about some of the important features when you're taking the classes as a free special classes on Unacademy portal, right? So here we are having a lifetime interaction, right, by using the chat and emojis. And the most important thing, we have ask question using question tab. That means you can ask your queries by using this question tab. You are not only writing the questions, you are also able to upload the image of the question. That means in a live class you can upload the image of the question and you can ask your query with your educator. Understand? So I think this is the best part for you. Okay, and one more thing, that you are having an option of live poll options for quiz. That means आपको live यहाँ पे poll options मिलेंगे जिसमें आप क्लिक कर सकते हो ABCD, जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे होंगे। इस तरह के आपके ऑप्शंस आपकी स्क्रीन पे आपको मिलेंगे। अगर कोई भी एडुकेटर आपको पोल देता है क्वेश्चंस का, फोर ऑप्शंस में से कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन करेक्ट होगा, दैट मीन्स यू कैन जस्ट पुट अप द A option, B option, whatever you want. So you can just click on that particular letter, so your answer will be given. That means you can easily answer this question by using this poll live. Okay, and you will also be a part of poll leadership. पोल लीडरशिप क्या है यहाँ पे, कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स आपके और भी होंगे जो कि उस क्लास में ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट होंगे, राइट? तो अगर उन बच्चों के साथ आपको अपनी पोजीशन चेक करनी है, दैट वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू स्टैंड इन द क्लास, सो डेफिनेटली यू कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ पोल लीडरशिप। क्योंकि जब आप पोल के आंसर्स करेंगे तो जो आपका एजुकेटर है, दे विल गिव यू पोल लीडरशिप बोर्ड, ओके, इन विच यू कैन सी योर पोजीशन, that how many answers you have given correct and where do you stand in the class. Understand? So this is the best part of Unacademy, okay, in which you are just taking the classes and you will be getting advanced features which you can see over here, right? And if you want to join my uh, special class which is going to be conducted today only with the timing of 7:45 to 8:45, you can note down this timing because this is the timing for class 11th students only. On the regular basis we are giving classes on this timing as a class 11th mathematics. Okay, and today we are just going to revise one short revision. That means we are just taking one short revision of statistics. That means आपने यहाँ पे measure of central tendency पढ़ा होगा chapter, right? तो अगर आपको मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी में मीन, मीडियन, मोड या फिर क्वार्टाइल, डेसाइल, इस तरह की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन माय सेशन ऑफ वन शॉर्ट रिवीजन सीरीज, राइट? तो आप यहाँ पे इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और इस सेशन का आप पार्ट बन सकते हैं और आप डेफिनेटली मेरा कोड यूज कर सकते हैं विच इज सनम जे लाइव, और ये कोड यूज करके यू विल बी हैविंग द सेशन एज फ्री सेशन। अंडरस्टैंड? आपको ये सेशन कैसा मिलेगा? फ्री सेशन मिलेगा। अंडरस्टैंड? Now, if you want to be a part of Plus subscriber at Unacademy, so I'm just telling you the basic and advanced feature of Unacademy. Basic features are as you can learn the live classes or you can learn live from the comfort of your home, and you're having unlimited access to all the courses, but you are having top educators of India at a particular platform. That means आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग चूज कर सकते हो कि आपको किस एडुकेटर से पढ़ना है, किस एडुकेटर का आपको समझ में आ रहा है। तो आपके पास बहुत सारी चॉइसेस हैं यहाँ पे। Okay, and you are having a regular doubt session and answer writing sessions also. That means we are not only giving the doubt session, we are also giving the answer writing session, that how do you write the answer in exam so you will get the maximum marks in the question. Understand? So this is a very important part, okay, because answer writing sessions are very important कि आपको कैसे आंसर लिखना है, कितने स्टेप्स लिखने हैं, कितने स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए। इफ द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन फॉर 2 मार्क, then you have to write the steps. How many you have to write, this we have to decide. This is all kind of information we are just providing in answer writing sessions, okay. And exhaustive covering of syllabus, that means we are just going to cover whole syllabus related to your exam. So recently your term 2 examination are just coming, so we have given the preparation over here. So you can cover your term second syllabus with Unacademy as a plus course, and you can use my code which is Sanam J Live. So you will be getting a 10% discount on the plus subscription. Understand? So you can use this code as Sanam J Live, and you will be having a mentorship and guidance with the educators of India. Okay, you will be having a study material in PDF format. You will be having the practice test. You will be having a live test series. You will be having a batch courses also. Understand? So all the features you are having at particular place only. So I just suggest you to take the Unacademy Plus subscription. So you will get an excellent marks in examination. Right? Now, I would like to let you know about the fee structure of an Academy Plus subscription, which is very less. Let me show you that as you can see over here, that you have to pay only 1250 rupees per month. Okay, so you are saving 50% part, right? And when you're using my code SanamJ Live and you're going to put over here, you will be getting 10% extra discount by using this code, right? SanamJ Live. Okay, so you can be a part of it, and so according to you, you can just choose the offer. As 9 months you have to pay 1444 per month, and for 6 months if you are taking, you will be paying 1667 per month. So this is all the pricing which is given to you as per your suitability. You can definitely join, and these are the offers if you are going to join 11 and 12 both. So you are having the amount as very less. Okay, if you are going to take for 2 years, then we are having the choice over here. As if you're taking the plan for 24 months, right, you have to pay 1042, and if you're taking for 12 months, you are going to pay 1250 per month. So I just suggest you to take 12 months and more than 12 months plan. The reason, I'm just going to give you a best offer for you, okay, as a mega offer, right? I'm giving you mega offer which says if you are going to buy 12 months or more than 12 months subscription, then you will be getting 2 month subscription as free subscription. Understand? And this offer is just applicable for first 500 subscriber. That means if you want to be a first 500 subscriber, or if you want to get 2 months extra subscription by in the price of 12 months or more than 12 months, then definitely you can go for this offer, right? So do as soon as possible you can. And here is an open house announcement also, that you can study with your favorite educator in the classroom and you can interact with them outside through open house. That means you can openly talk to your educator easily and you can clear every query which you are facing in class or outside the class. Understand? And you can talk, engage, and feel closer to them like never before. And you can learn with no boundaries, without limits, and you can learn openly. Understand? So now we are just going to start a session related to circle. Okay, so let's see that how many students are going to join right now. and they will get benefited with this session. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about circle. That what is circle actually, right? Excuse me. That how many students are going to join now? Okay, so when we talk about this circle, a circle is defined as the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point in that plane always remains the same. That means what? If we are talking about the circle, right? You have to focus on locus, right? It is just like a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point in that plane always remains the same. That means, as you can see, that this is a plane in front of you and we have just drawn one of the point which is a fixed point. This we have considered as the fixed point. Okay, and these are the points which are at an equidistance from this point O. Okay, so when you are taking the distance between them, the distance between them are equal, so they will, the set of points will form a circle. These kinds of set of point will form a circle over here. Okay, so we can say the fixed point is called the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. So whenever is somebody is asking you what is the definition of circle, you can directly say a circle is defined as the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from the fixed point in that plane is always remains the same. Understand? Okay, now how many learners are going to watch me? Just let me know. Write down in a chat box whatever. If you are going to listen me, please write down in a chat box. So it will be better to communicate with you. How many are watching me? They can put up hi in a chat box. So that will be better communication with you. So here, this is the definition of circle, right? So by using this, you can definitely define the circle and you must be knowing the fixed point is called the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Understand? Okay. So the radius is always represented with R. Radius of a circle is always represented as R and the center we are going to represent as C. Okay. But you must be knowing that here, whenever we are marking the center of a circle, there's always a coordinate because it is lying in a Cartesian plane. If it is lying in a Cartesian plane, there should be some of the points of the center. Okay. So you can say h comma k. We are just taking the variables as h comma k coordinates of center. Understand? These are the coordinates of center which we are going to consider. Okay. So if we are going to consider them as h comma k, okay. So now here we are having the general equation of circle related to this. So whenever we are talking about the general equation of circle, you will talk about x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So in this equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. I just want to remind you over here, in this equation, you can take minus g comma minus f as the center of the circle. Understand? That means they are the coordinates of center. Understand? Okay, wherever the circle is lying in a Cartesian plane, we can consider these minus g comma minus f as the center coordinates of the circle. Understand? Now, here g, f and c are the constant. As you know, in this equation, they are the constant. So if I say you that you are having one of the equation like x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y and plus 5 that is equal to 0. Now I ask you what is the center of the circle. That means you have to find out the coordinates. You have to find out the coordinates of center of a circle. So what will you do now in this case? You will just compare this equation with this equation. Understand? You are just going to compare this equation with the general equation of the circle, and when you compare them from here, the variable, the coefficient of x is 4. here the coefficient of x is 2g. That means we can write here 2g is equals to 4. That means we can write g is equals to 2. Yes or no? And if you are writing coefficient of y as 4, here coefficient of y is 2f, so we can also take 2f that is equal to 4. That means f will always be 2. So that means g comma f is coming 2 comma 2. So we have to find out the center coordinates, and I already informed you your center coordinates are minus g comma minus f. So we can write here minus 2 comma minus 2 are the coordinates of the center. Understand? So how many of you are watching me? Just write in a chat box. Did you understand this? Okay. So by using this, you can easily find the center of a circle. Okay. And if they are asking about the radius of a circle, if they ask you about the radius of a circle, so you are having this choice as you can apply this formula as under root g square plus f square minus c. So from there, you will be getting the radius of the circle. Understand? So here, if you have to find the radius of the circle, you can apply the formula. You can apply the formula like r is equals to under root g square plus f square minus c. So you will put up the values. G is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square will be 4. Minus f. F is minus 2. So this will be also 4. Minus c. C is what? C is 5. That means we can write here 5. That means we are getting under root 3. Your radius will be under root 3. So like this, you can also find the radius, and you can also find the coordinates of center of a circle. Okay. So this equation is basically known as general equation of circle. Okay. Now we will talk about the next equation. This is called central form of equation of circle, in which we are taking the equation of a circle having center h comma k and radius r, which is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So this equation is known as center form of the equation of the circle, and the previous form was general equation of the circle. So I hope you just got the difference between these two equations. Okay, and here we are taking the coordinates of center as h comma k, as you can see over here. Okay, and radius we are considering as r, and this we are taking as a point P, which is any point on the circumference of the circle as x comma y. Okay, which is x comma y. Okay, but here as they said, the equation is if the center of the origin, if the center is origin, then the equation of circle is what? Right? That means if we are having the center as origin, origin means what? 0 comma 0. So when we are having center as origin, so our coordinates will be 0 comma 0. Right or not? Yes. So we will find the equation by using this x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. In this equation, we are just going to place the value of h comma k, because these are the coordinates of the center of the circle. Yes or no? H comma k, and they have said that h and k are 0. So we can just put up them in this equation. So our equation becomes x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to r square. So the equation becomes x square plus y square, that is equal to r square. Understand? This is the equation of a circle when the center lies on the origin of the Cartesian plane. Understand? अगर आपका center जो है, अगर वो कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है, अगर origin पे लाई कर रहा है, तो आपकी जो equation of circle होगी वो क्या हो जाएगी? x square plus y square is equals to r square. Okay, this will be the equation of circle in the case if you are having this center at the origin of the Cartesian plane. Okay, I hope you understood this. So I just suggest you to note it down, this information. Then I'm just going to help you with the questions, so you will get better understand about the concept. Okay, so you can note it down. Okay, now we are just moving to the questions directly. So this will be a better explanation for you. So the question comes like, find the equation of circle with center and radius. Okay, so as we know, we are having the center of the circle as h comma k, right or not? So if we write center is equals to h comma k, that means it is given to you as 3 comma minus 2. So we can take h is equals to 3 and we can take k is equals to minus 2. Yes or no? Okay. Now what to do? See, they have given the radius also. Radius they have given as 5. Right? So now we have to find out the equation of circle. And we know the equation of circle is what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. Right or not? So we are just going to place the values in this. So x minus h is what? 3. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k, that means y minus and minus 2, that means plus 2 over here. So this becomes y plus 2 whole square is equals to r means 5 whole square. Now we will solve it further. So we will be getting a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that means 2 into x into 3, plus a plus b whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2 into y into 2, that means 2ab, and that is equal to 25, because 5 square is 25. Now x square will remain same plus 3 whole square is 9 minus 3 2 is a 6 into x 6x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y is equals to 25. Understand? Now x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y, and 9 plus 4 becomes 13, which is equal to 25. So we can write down the equation like x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y and 13 and minus 25. That will be minus 12 is equals to 0. So this will be your equation of circle. Okay, like this we can easily find the equation of circle by using the standard equation. Okay, now you can note it down, and I'm giving you the second question to be solved by you. Understand? Okay, so I'm expecting that you're already done. Now next one, try this question. I'm just giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. So how many learners are going to watching me? Please solve this question and write your answer in the chat box. Okay, I'm just waiting for your answer. Try to do it fast. Find the equation of circle with the center and which passes through the point 3 comma 6. Okay, try this. Or if you're facing any problem, just let me know. Okay, let me help you out somewhat. As they have given equation of circle, we have to find the equation of circle. First of all, just draw a circle. Okay, if just suppose this is a circle and this we have marked as center. Okay, if this is the center of the circle, then we can write the points as 2 comma minus 1. Okay. Now they have taken one of the point over here, any point which is 3 comma 6, from which the circle is going to pass. उन्होंने बोला है which passes through the point 3,6. Let me circle pass हो रहा है 3,6 से. तो आपको अगर मैं इस पॉइंट से लेके इस पॉइंट तक की डिस्टेंस निकालूंगा तो वो क्या होगी हमारी रेडियस होगी. यस और नो, दैट विल बी आवर रेडियस. तो ये पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए क्या करना है, यू हैव टू अप्लाई द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. आई होप यू हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. आपने कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में दो पॉइंट्स के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालना ऑलरेडी सीखा होगा. सो आई एम जस्ट फाइंडिंग अ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. This I am going to mark as O. This I am going to mark as A. So I am writing OA is equals to under root. These points we can mark as x1, y1, x2 and y2. So our distance is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between 2 points. Yes or no? Y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so here OA is a radius, is equals to x2 is what? 3. X1 is what? 2. So 3 minus 2 whole square. Y2 is 6. Y1 is minus 1. So this will be plus. So we are getting radius is equals to under root 3 minus 2 whole square, that means 1 whole square, plus 6 plus 1, 7. So we are getting under root 1 plus 49. That means that is equal to under root 50 unit. So this is your radius now. As you got the radius, you are already having a center points which we can mark as h comma k, right or not? That means h is 2 and k is minus 1. So here you can write center is equals to h comma k, which is equal to 2 comma minus 1, right? Which implies that h is equals to 2 and k is equals to minus 1, right? K is equals to minus 1. I hope you understand. Now let's write the equation of circle. Equation of circle will be x minus h whole square, right, plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So we are getting x minus h is what? 2. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 1. This becomes plus 1. Y plus 1 whole square is equals to r is what? Under root 50. So under root 50 whole square. I hope you understood this. Now let's solve it. So x minus 2 whole square will be x square. Wait a minute. Okay, now. So we'll be getting x square plus 2 whole square minus there should be minus 2 into x into 2 plus here we are getting y square plus 1 and plus 2 into y into 1, right, and is equals to 50. So here we are getting x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 1 and plus 2y, that is equal to 50. So our equation of circle will be x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y, and 4 plus 1 becomes 5. 5 minus 50 will be 45. So that means minus 45, that is equal to 0. So this is our equation of circle. Okay. So like this we can solve the questions. I hope you got it. Note it down. Then we are just moving to the next question. Okay. Try it. Now I'm giving you one of the question to be solved. So how many are present here? Say hi in a chat box. Now try this question. We have given find the equation of circle passing through the point 2 comma 4 and having its center at the intersection of line x minus y is equals to 4 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. Hello Devansh, how are you? In which class you are, beta? So I'm just giving you some of the hint in this question. See, they have said find the equation of circle which is passing through the point 2 comma 4 and having its center at the intersection of these two lines. Right? That's great if you are going to belong to class 11th. So this is the question with the basic questions we are going to do today related to circle. So are you comfortable to do this question? Tell me. In this question they have given you the information like if this is a circle, so the center is an intersection of two lines. That means if one line I'm drawing like this and one of the line I'm drawing like this, and the center of the circle is the intersecting point of these two lines. Okay, okay, no problem. You can see here. आपको बोला है कि having its center at the intersection of two lines. One of the line we have x minus y that is equal to 4 and the other line we have 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. इन दो straight lines का जो intersecting point है that is the center of the circle. ओके बेटा, अभी स्कूल में करा रहे हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मैं यहाँ से भी बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से मैंने शुरू किया है चैप्टर सर्कल, तो आपने अभी थोड़ा सा लेट ज्वाइन किया है, तो आप इस सेशन को स्टार्टिंग से देख सकते हैं, तो आपको डेफिनेटली क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हमें क्वेश्चंस को कैसे सॉल्व करना है. अंडरस्टैंड देवांश? तो यहाँ पे आपका जो इन दोनों लाइंस का इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट है वो सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल है. तो अगर मैं इसको सी मार्क कर दूं या ओ मार्क कर दूं सेंटर को, तो हमारे सबसे पहले इन दो लाइंस का इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा. दैट विल बी आर here is ultimate sir, what is big or small sigma, please tell. Listen my dear, this symbol is actually known as sigma, which we call it summation, sign. Okay, which is used to find the sum of the observation. आपके पास जितनी भी ऑब्जर्वेशन है अगर आप उनको समीशन में डिनोट कर देते हो, दैट मीन समीशन को आप इस तरह से लिखोगे जैसे सपोज आपके पास जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं वो 1 से लेके n तक हैं, तो उन सारी ऑब्जर्वेशंस का आपको क्या करना है, सम निकालना है. उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं इस साइन से, विच इज कॉल्ड सिग्मा एंड विच वी कॉल इट समीशन आल्सो. ओके, I hope you understood this. Okay, now I was talking about this equation of circle. Okay, so focus here. आपका जो इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट है वो दो लाइंस का इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, सबसे पहले टू लाइंस का इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट निकालना है. तो आई होप दैट यू आर नोइंग हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट बिटवीन टू लाइंस. हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को इक्वेट करेंगे एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y. सो वी आर हैविंग द इक्वेशंस लाइक 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0, and one of the equation we have x minus y is equals to 4, right or not? So can we multiply this equation with 2? If we multiply this equation with 2, we will be getting 2x, okay, minus 2y, that is equal to 8. Yes or no? We can do like this. Okay, thank you so much my dear देवांश. सो हियर आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने 4 2 8 यहाँ पे डबल कर दिया है. अभी हमें इस दोनों इक्वेशंस को, इसको आप इक्वेशन नंबर 1 कंसीडर कर सकते हो. यू कैन कंसीडर दिस एज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सॉल्व देम. सो व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग 2x plus 3y, plus 7 that is equal to 0, and when you are writing 2x minus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. अब इन इक्वेशंस को हम इक्वेट करेंगे, so हम we are going to change the sign minus plus and plus, and here you can no need to change because here's 0. So now this will be cancel out, 3y plus 2y this will be 5y, or 8 plus 7 this becomes 15 that is equal to 0. So we will be getting 5y is equals to minus 15 and y is equals to minus 3. तो यहां से आपको y की वैल्यू मिल गई. अब y की वैल्यू आप पुट अप कर सकते हो इक्वेशन में, किसी भी इक्वेशन में. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x. तो हम यहाँ पे x और निकाल लेते हैं. तो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड हम यहाँ पे रख रहे हैं y की वैल्यू 2x माइनस 2 इंटू माइनस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 8. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2x plus 6 is equals to 8. That means 2x is equals to 2 and x will be equal to 1. So we have got the coordinates like 1 comma minus 3. That means this center we can mark as 1 comma minus 3. आपको यहाँ से center का point मिल गया, और उन्होंने already बोला है कि one of the point which is 2 comma 4 from this circle is going to pass. आपका सर्कल किससे पास हो रहा है? 2 comma 4 से. तो आप ये पॉइंट कहीं भी मार्क कर सकते हो सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस पे. तो अगर ये पॉइंट 2,4 है, तो अगर मैं पॉइंट O से लेके इस पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस निकालूंगा तो वो डिस्टेंस क्या होगी हमारी? क्या आप बता सकते हो? इस डिस्टेंस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? O से लेके A तक की डिस्टेंस को प्लीज मेंशन. अगर आप O से A तक की डिस्टेंस निकालोगे तो वो क्या होगी अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्कल? मेंशन इन द चैट बॉक्स फास्ट. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. ओके, सो दिस विल बी योर रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल, राइट और नॉट? तो अगर आपको इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच की डिस्टेंस मिल जाती है देन यू कैन टेक दिस एज अ रेडियस, राइट? तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम इस पॉइंट के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे. तो 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं हम? डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. आई होप आपने कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में ऑलरेडी पढ़ा होगा. ओके, श्योर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे अब हम डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस पॉइंट. ओके, O and A. So let's do it. Okay. So I'm going to consider this point as x1, this I'm considering as y1, this I'm going to consider x2, this I'm going to consider as y2. तो हम इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करेंगे, डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे, राइट? तो हमारी जो डिस्टेंस होगी वो क्या हो जाएगी? लेट्स सी. Our distance will be OA is equals to under root x2 minus x1, that means 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that means 4 plus 3. तो दोनों माइनस में हो जाएंगे, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 plus 3 होल स्क्वायर. तो आपकी जो डिस्टेंस आएगी, और OA को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. तो 2 minus 1 क्या होगा? 1 का होल स्क्वायर 1 प्लस 4 plus 3 7, ये आपका हो जाएगा 49. दैट मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग रेडियस एज 50 अंडर रूट 50. ओके, श्योर माय डियर, यू विल बैक सून. आई विल सी यू. सो यहाँ पे आपके पास अब रेडियस भी आ गई है, आपके पास सेंटर के पॉइंट्स भी आ गए हैं. तो आई थिंक दिस इज द part which we have to find. So now we will find the equation of circle by using this. So equation of circle will be, let me remove this all. Okay, now we are writing the equation of circle. So we will be having x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. आप यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट अप कर सकते हो. That means x minus h. h is what? 1. x minus 1 whole square plus y minus k is what? Minus 3. That means plus 3 whole square is equals to r square. That means under root 50 whole square. आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे So this will be x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 9 and plus 6y is equals to 50. तो यहाँ पे इक्वेशन हो जाएगी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 6y. आपका 9 प्लस 1 कितना हुआ 10 और 10 माइनस 50 विल बी माइनस 40. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा माइनस 40 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. तो दिस इज योर इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन आउट. Understand? I hope you understood this part. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question, which is in front of you to be solved out. Okay, ये क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को खुद से सॉल्व करना है. Show that the equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 36 is equals to 0. और यहाँ पे आपको पूछा है कि you have to show that this represent a circle. तो आप इसका रेडियस अगर निकालेंगे और रेडियस अगर आपका एक पॉजिटिव दैट मीन्स एक रियल नंबर होता है देन यू कैन से इट इज अ सर्कल. और अगर रियल नंबर नहीं है देन यू कैन से इट इज नॉट अ सर्कल. इट विल नॉट रिप्रेजेंट अ सर्कल. ओके. और यहाँ पे अगर वो सर्कल है तो आप उसकी सेंटर और रेडियस फाइंड कर सकते हो. ओके. सो लेट्स ट्राई दिस. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx प्लस 2fy plus c that is equal to 0. This is the standard equation of circle. आप इस इक्वेशन को इससे कंपेयर कर सकते हो. So you can write x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 36 that is equal to 0. So by comparison, we can say 2g is equals to minus 6. तो आपका g हो जाएगा minus 3. और by comparison 2f will be equal to 4. That means f will be 2. तो हमारे पास g और f दोनों की वैल्यू आ गई है. तो हमारे जो सेंटर पॉइंट्स हैं दैट इज व्हाट. हमारे सेंटर पॉइंट्स क्या होते हैं माइनस जी कॉमा माइनस एफ. तो हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं सेंटर इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस जी दैट मीन्स प्लस 3 एंड माइनस एफ मीन्स माइनस 2. सो 3 कॉमा माइनस 2 विल बी योर सेंटर. अभी आपको रिक्वायर्ड है क्या c की वैल्यू. जो आप इसको ये आपका सेंटर है ठीक है. डोंट फॉरगेट दिस इज कांस्टेंट सी. दिस इज कैपिटल दिस इज स्मॉल. तो यहाँ से आप स्मॉल सी की वैल्यू जब निकालोगे बाय कंपैरिजन तो वो आपको कितनी मिलेगी माइनस 36. राइट. तो यहाँ पे अब हम रेडियस फाइंड करेंगे. रेडियस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है अंडर रूट जी स्क्वायर प्लस एफ स्क्वायर माइनस सी. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ जी स्क्वायर प्लस एफ स्क्वायर माइनस सी. तो आपका जो रेडियस होगा दैट विल बी अंडर रूट जी इज व्हाट g is minus 3 whole square will be 9 plus f whole square will be 4. c is minus 36. So minus minus plus 36. So we are getting radius is equals to 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 36 that will be 49. तो आपका रूट ऑफ 49 is 7. तो आपकी रेडियस क्या है एक रियल नंबर है. तो ऑब्वियस है कि दिस विल रिप्रेजेंट अ सर्कल. दिस इक्वेशन विल रिप्रेजेंट अ सर्कल. तो अगर आपकी रेडियस 7 है तो आप अब यहाँ पे इजिली रेडियस आपके पास है. सेंटर के आपके पॉइंट्स क्या हो जाएंगे 3 माइनस 2. दोनों चीजें आपने फाइंड ऑलरेडी कर ली हैं. क्लियर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. तो ये इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जाम में आते हैं. तो आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस को इजीली सॉल्व करना है. राइट. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू दी this question. So this question you can solve at home. Okay. बिल्कुल जस्ट सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है कि show that the equation represent a circle. ये इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट सर्कल को रिप्रेजेंट करती है और आपको ये बताना है कि सेंटर और रेडियस क्या है. ओके. जस्ट सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस वैल्यू ओनली चेंज है तो आप इसको इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट और नॉट. आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि आप इसको सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. राइट. नाउ I just want to tell you the mega offer of today, right? Which is that if you are going to buy a 12-month subscription, okay, if you are going to buy a 12-month subscription, then definitely you will be getting 2-month subscription as free. You are getting 2-month subscription as free. So this is a very good offer for you, but this offer is just valid for first 500 subscriber, right? ये offer valid है फर्स्ट 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए। तो आपको अगर फर्स्ट 500 सब्सक्राइबर बनना है तो प्लीज गो फॉर दिस एज सुन एज पॉसिबल एंड यूज माई कोड विच इज सनम जे लाइव SANAMJLIVE. Use this code and just also avail 10% discount on this subscription. Understand? So this is the best offer for you for which you can go. Now, next question. In this question, they are saying show that the given equation does not represent a circle. तो आपको सबसे पहले इस इक्वेशन को किससे कंपेयर करना है? स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx plus 2fy plus c that is equal to 0. So we are just going to find out by comparison. We can write y comparison क्या होगा आपका? 2g will be equal to -3. So g will be -3 upon 2. And when you are taking 2f that is equal to 3. So your f will be 3 by 2. Understand? So we have got the value of g and f. Now c. So when you compare c will be equal to 10. Now we are just applying the formula of radius. Okay. So as we know, radius is always equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. So let's put up the value under root. G is what? -3 by 2. F is 3 by 2. And minus 10. Okay. So I'm solving it here only. So your radius will be under root 9 upon 4 plus 9 upon 4 minus 10. Okay. So radius is equals to. Now can we take 4 as LCM? Definitely. So this will be 9 plus 9 minus 40. Right. So our radius will be under root 9 plus 9, 18. 18 minus 40. That means minus 22 upon 4. So 2, 11 times 2, 2 times. So that means you are getting radius as under root minus 11 upon 2. तो जैसा कि आपकी जो रेडियस है स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर एक नेगेटिव नंबर है. If you are having a negative number under the square root, just keep in mind it is not real. It will not give you the real value. Understand? It will not give you the real value. So keep in mind this becomes imaginary. तो अगर आपका कोई भी रेडियस जो है वो रियल नंबर नहीं है, so that means the circle cannot be drawn, right? Circle cannot be drawn. आप अगर रियल नंबर नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली आप उसको सर्कल को ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हो. तो you have shown that the radius does not exist. That's why circle, this equation does not represent a circle. We have already proven. Understand? Okay, you can note it down. This type of question can also come in exam. Okay, now a very important thing which I'm going to discuss here, that you have got one more chance for Unacademy Prodigy as it is extended for 27. Understand? It is already extended on 27 Feb. Okay, so you can also crack it to win prizes worth up to 10 CR. आप 10 CR तक का प्राइज यहाँ पे कलेक्ट कर सकते हो अगर आप इस प्रोडिगी का पार्ट बनते हो. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको जो टाइमिंग है वो 12 to 1 PM है. तो आपको अपना संडे का जो कैलेंडर है आप उसको ब्लॉक कर लीजिए एंड जस्ट एनरोल नाउ. ओके, एंड फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेरी यू कैन यूज दिस कोड सनम जे लाइव. आप उसको वहां पे प्लेस कर सकते हो. अगर आपको आगे का सब्सक्रिप्शन अगर आपको लेना है तो डेफिनेटली आप 10% डिस्काउंट पे भी जा सकते हो, राइट? So you can use this code and I just suggest you to go for this because if you are going to have a price of which worth till 10 CR, I think nothing can be better than this, right or not? Definitely. Now here I just would like to let you know that we are already running some of the batches of ISC board exam, okay, in which one of the batch we are just running for class 12, one of the batch we are running for class 11. Understand? And in this course we are just going to complete your whole syllabus related to your term second examination. Here we are going to target your term second exam. हम आपके टर्म सेकंड एग्जाम को यहाँ पे टारगेट कर रहे हैं. तो आप अगर अपने टर्म सेकंड एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं, दैट मींस इफ यू वांट टू prepare your exam as a term 2 exam, right? तो आप definitely in plus subscriptions को ले सकते हैं. In this we are going to complete the whole syllabus of maths, physics, chemistry and bio. If you belong to PCM, then you can consider PCM, or if you belong to PCB, you can go for PCB. So we are just going to complete the whole syllabus related to this subject. So definitely you can join these crash courses batches which are already in running. So join as soon as possible, or if you have not studied till now anything, then also I can say that if you are going to join these batches, you will be able to crack your exam with good marks. Understand? अगर आपने अभी तक भी कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा है, then still you are having time to join these batches and just grab it and crack your exams. Understand? One more thing. One of the question we have, example number 6 as find the equation of circle with center h, k. आपको सेंटर पॉइंट जो है दैट इज h, k एंड टचिंग दी वाई एक्सिस. जो आपका सर्कल है वो किसको टच कर रहा है? वाई एक्सिस को टच कर रहा है. तो अगर आपका सर्कल जो है वाई एक्सिस को टच कर रहा है तो आपका डायग्राम कुछ कैसा बनेगा? जस्ट सपोज हम यहाँ पे एक डायग्राम क्रिएट करते हैं. वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस, दैट मींस वी आर जस्ट ड्राइंग अ कार्टेशियन प्लेन. So this we are going to consider as x, y, x naught and y naught, and the circle is going to touch y axis. That means your circle will be like this, right or not? And they have said the center of the circle is h, k. अब आप मुझे बताओ, अगर मैं इस पॉइंट से यहां तक की डिस्टेंस मार्क करता हूं, दैट मींस व्हाट? इट शोज व्हाट? ये क्या है? ये ऑब्वियस है h होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे x की जगह क्या लिखा है? h लिखा है. अगर मैं वर्टिकली जाऊंगा तो यहां से जो रेडियस होनी चाहिए वो कितनी होनी चाहिए? That should be k only, right or not? Because it is lying over here. But ये जो डिस्टेंस होगी ये आपकी कहां होगी? y एक्सिस पे. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस आएगी वो कहां से कहां तक आएगी? इस यहां से लेके यहां तक. अंडरस्टैंड? ये आपका हो जाएगा k. क्लियर है? तो बेसिकली आपकी जो रेडियस है वो कितनी है? h है यहाँ पे. ओके, अगर आपकी रेडियस जो है h है और आपका सेंटर पॉइंट h, k है, तो बेसिक जो इक्वेशन होती है वो क्या होती है? स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन होती है x माइनस एच होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई माइनस के होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू आर स्क्वायर. ये आपकी एक स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन है. यहाँ पे रेडियस कितनी होगी आपके पास? h. तो आपकी जो इक्वेशन होगी वो क्या हो जाएगी? x माइनस एच होल स्क्वायर प्लस y minus k whole square, that is equal to h square. Understand? Now we can expand this. So you'll be getting x square plus h square minus 2x into h plus y square plus k square minus 2 into k into y and is equals to h square. So h square will be cancelled out and your equation will be x square plus y square plus k square minus 2hx minus 2ky, that is equal to 0. This will be your equation. Understand? So like this we can easily solve the question which is related to circle. Okay, and today we have already learned that how to solve the question if it is coming like equation of a circle, or if they are asking the radius of a circle, if they are asking the center points, then you can easily find out. Understand? So here, if you want to get in touch with your counselor, if you are confused about your preparation journey, if you are having queries regarding subscription, or if you want to know about the latest offer which are running in Unacademy, so definitely you can call on this number which is 8585858585. Okay, and there you can use my code Sanam Jain Live to get the 10% discount to grab that offer. Okay, so I just want to say thank you to all of you, okay, to be a part of this session, and I hope that you learn about the circle. Okay, and definitely we are just going to back in the next session. So how many of you have joined this session? Thank you so much for you. Okay, and you can subscribe our channel and like it, and you can share it as much as possible. Okay, So now this is time to leave. I just want to say thank you, tata, bye bye, take care, God bless you. Okay, see ya.